The Public Protector's Office is right now examining him on 3 events, including 2 similar grievances with respect to extreme doubts of legal catch. When Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane attempted to prevent Parliament from reprimanding her, she asked a court to delay it until the Constitutional Court settled a disavowal issue. The examination would likewise keep President Cyril Ramaphosa from suspending Mkhwebane. It is conceivable that the prosecution method against Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane could be required to be postponed. Mkhwebane let the court know that Ramaphosa couldn't suspend her until the denunciation test was finished. "I've been informed another grumbling concerning legal catch," she expressed Thursday night. "However, since I haven't seen it, I used the February objection. The new grumbling will be displayed to the court later, or in the noting testimony." Found out if Justice and Corrections Minister Ronald Lamola attempted to impact the assignment of acting adjudicators at the Constitutional Court in February, Gauteng Judge President Dunstan Mlambo said no. Their unified quest for legal catch was Mkhwebane's suggestion in his Tuesday letter to the president. So express the letter. Ramaphosa conflicted. In a letter from Ramaphosa, Mkhwebane was mentioned to make sense of why he shouldn't suspend her. He allowed her 10 days. So when the Speaker of the National Assembly let him know that Parliament was all the while considering Mkhwebane's arraignment, he suspended her. In February, the Constitutional Court approved the Part 194 board to continue with the arraignment strategy. Mkhwebane a short time later requested to amend a few ends. The subsequent test concerns Ramaphosa's utilization of an authority flight to visit Zimbabwe, Mkhwebane said for this present week. MP Violwethu Zungula charged him. She said, "The Zimbabwe case is additionally appropriate in light of the fact that the Speaker, Mpisang Kakula, was once the defense minister." She expressed a court choice would announce the Speaker's and President's demonstrations unlawful and invalid. The President's activities propose he has ulterior targets, is one-sided, and is uninformed, that he doesn't reserve the option to end the suspension interaction, she added. "I accept the Speaker's letter, which was likewise given, before I could respond, was fastidiously coordinated to propel the President to act and suspend me without cause," says she. "They're led, regardless of whether they knew it, disregarded my established freedoms, and should be inspected by the courts, as requested in the 2 parts from this application." A NC part, Mervyn Dirks, presented a grumbling charging Ramaphosa abused the leader morals code. The third tested that objection. "He didn't tell and show every one of the necessary specialists," Mkhwebane let Ramaphosa know when he was educated regarding the objection. Her remarks come after Ramaphosa yielded in before case that he had an irreconcilable circumstance in giving to Bosasa's 2017 ANC official mission, CR17. Regardless, the Pretoria High Court is as yet fixing the CR17 reports, which will affect the Public Protector's purview. In the prior case, the president's primary concern was not that there was no debate, yet that it was misrepresented. She said, "He shouldn't have utilized this power himself. All things being equal, he ought to have designated this position to an uncorrupted leader part, as concurred. That legitimate premise actually exists. Involving this power in these conditions obviously disregards the law and the Constitution's trustworthiness and legitimacy. This doesn't safeguard the evacuation interaction."